on that score, but championing Trump, that's sure to infuriate U.S. election watchers here.
Yes, I am a Trump supporter. And I know a lot of people probably be like, where's about Trump prejudice? He's not prejudiced. If you look into what this, for me, anyways, even in a conversation, like people to be frank, straight to the point, cut and dry, black and white. It is what it is. Say what it is. Don't beat around the bush. You don't like a certain thing, you don't like it. That's it. End of story. And the reason why I'm a Trump supporter is because he's all of that and more.
But he says Mexicans are rapists and...
No, he's referring to those that are.
And drug dealers.
He's referring to those that are, and there are quite a number.
He made a blanket statement.
No, but there are quite a number of maybe Mexicans, Spanish people, black people, all kind of different races, right? Who are in the country illegally, who are doing things that they are not supposed to do. And he's